Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to flip through two new sticker books from Amber Plans Her Day. So we have fan favorites and sticker sheets and Bujo Essentials glitter and foil. I'm going to do full flip throughs of these so you can see what is coming out today actually. So definitely check out the link down in my description. It is an affiliate link, and then I also have a discount code for 10% off. Definitely use a discount code to purchase if you plan on purchasing from this release. But yeah, I'm excited to flip through these. I love Amber stickers, especially like her decorative stickers. Super excited for those. So I'm gonna go over Bujo Essentials first because I'm really intrigued by this one. She does some really cool Bujo type stickers. So basically like the look of ripped paper, which is really cool. And this one has a like sparkly effect on it without being like foiled, because yeah, not a fan of foil. So this is just a matte version of that, but you can see the little sparkly pieces. It's very subtle and very pretty. So this one's the red sheet here, and then you get the boxes that you can layer with all these pieces. We have some half circles here, more of the ripped paper effect on this one. Boxes, then you get some orange sheets. Again, these all have like that glittery effect on them, which is really cool. Then green, that's a pretty green. And a blue. You can see the glitter, the sparkly glitter pieces there a little bit more. More of like a royal blue on this one. Ooh, that would be pretty for like a sky. That's really nice. Purple. And pink. It's a nice like hot pink color. Ooh, now we're getting into the foil. Okay, so I'm going to flip through Bujo Essentials. In the first section, we have this really pretty red, and then here you can kind of see the glittery look of the paper. So this is supposed to have like the effect of like torn paper, which is really cool because then you don't have to rip it yourself. It's already like pre-ripped, ready to go to layer with like these boxes in different shapes. I like to do this like this type of technique with paper, so that's kind of the idea with this one. And then we have another red. This one's like not as deep of a red. And then orange. And green. It's a nice like bright green. Blue. Again, you can see like all that like glittery pieces. And then like a nice blue. Ooh, this would be cool as like a sky, like a background for a sky. That's really pretty. And then purple. Really nice bright pink. And then we're gonna get into the foil. I like this foil because it's more of like a matte foil. It's really nice. Okay. So I'm usually not a foil fan, but I do like this one because you don't get like as much glare on it. So I really like that. So here's the red one. Whoa, that is a very bright orange. Very nice. We have like the gold. Green. Blue. It's a pretty blue. Purple. Ooh, look at that pink. Super bright pink. Okay, so that is Bujo Essentials Glitter and Foil. Okay, and I'm really excited about this. Fan favorites sticker sheets. So we have some fan favorites in here. This is really pretty neutral florals. Perfect for like a fall spread. Ooh, these are nice. I've never seen these. Those are really cool. Look how cute these penguins are. Oh my goodness, super adorable. Like especially this one because you could put like a box like under him so it looks like he's like peeking out from behind it, or like laying on top of a box with that one. That's so cute. Ooh, I love the blue florals. Snowflakes, pretty. I love these little buildings. So cute, good for a winter spread. Do a little scene. Oh my goodness, the little monsters. Those are adorable. Perfect for Valentine's Day. We have some 4-leaf clovers and hearts. Those are really cool. Rainy day. We've had a lot of rainy days recently. Some grass pieces. Nice. And these are all clear. Look at the little birds and the nests. The bees in the hive. Those are cute. Strawberries. Ooh, black palm trees. Those are cool. I'm just thinking of like all the scenes I can do. We have some ocean scenes. Fireworks. Like everything in here. Tropical florals. The fruits. Got some oranges and lemons and limes and grapefruit. More florals. Ooh, I like these balloons. That would be perfect for like a New Year's spread. And super cute for like a birthday spread. Coffee. I like that. That's cute. These are like, what, mandalas? Something like that? I'm not sure. But they're really cool. We have some succulents and cactus. Potted plants. So cool. And then elephants. How cute is that one with the little crown of flowers? Ah, and then some pandas with florals. How sweet. Oh my goodness. A Harry Potter themed one? Okay, I'm gonna have to bookmark this one for, I love Harry Potter, for a Harry Potter spread, like on his birthday maybe. I think it's in July. Oh my goodness, this is great. I love this, and I love the artwork. It's so cool. I love that one. Okay, and then we have some books, some reading ones, and then words. So release day, birthday, these are all clear in this book. Months and days of the week, and that is it for that book. I love that. I love that book. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do a plan with me just to, because I really want to use these stickers. They're so cute. Again, I have some already like bookmarked and mentally in my head that I plan on using. Like for sure, I'm going to use, oh my God, these are so adorable. They're so adorable. For sure, I'm going to use this as for a winter one. Definitely using this. That's going to be a scene for sure. Valentine's Day, that's happening. And, okay, summer for sure. Doing a summer type of spread with that one. And then, of course, like I mentioned earlier, Harry Potter. Like, those pre-planning for the future, those are going to happen. So stay tuned. But yeah, this book has like a lot to get you through the year. It's kind of seasonally in a way, which is nice. So I'm going to, I think I want to do the bumblebees because I think these are really cute. And then I like the little hives and the bees. We're going to go with this one. I have some mini sheets because I just wanted to do like just, you know, a quick one on the page. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna pull in boxes though, which I do have the journaling ones that I can use, or the Bujo ones. That's what they're called. Okay, I'm trying to find my, oh no, I can't find my I can't find my words, and I also can't find my correction tape. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna go around it and let it be. Because I do think it looks cool when you can't see it through, but I didn't want to go through the notes. But I think this is okay. So, love that there. I think I might just go in this book just to grab some boxes. We'll see how this works, actually. I think it might look cool to mix these two together. They're different. Okay, so let's do another like honeycomb thing over here. And then I can do a bee. And of course, I want to do some of the like, these are kind of realistic looking, which is throwing me off a little bit, but it's all good. But yeah, some of the little like trails. Gotta do some trails, right? I did a bunch of those during spring. I think it was spring. It was like one of my favorite things to do when it comes with like, comes to butterflies and bees and that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna do, I haven't done this in a bit, so kind of a little rusty, but that's okay. Just draw a couple of these like little trails, because I think that's always a super cute touch. We'll do this one that way, like so. Okay, that's super adorable. I think I want to do like a circle sticker too with this one. I wish I had my... Okay, I do have this. So I'll just cover this up a little bit. We'll just pretend that this is all covered. Once I find my correction tape, it'll be covered up. It's somewhere around here. Okay. Cute. I have this little piece here, so maybe I can stick it here. Okay, that looks cool. I can do a little important or a little banner sticker here. All right, cool. I think that looks good. Again, I just wanted to do something really quick for this spread. Cute. Okay. Now on this side, grab this guy. Try not to use my nails because sometimes I mess up my manicure but faster when I do that. Thankfully, I do my own nails, so if I need to fix it, I can do it pretty quickly, but it's just kind of annoying to have to just do one at a time. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the rest of these little like honeycombs. Okay, let me stick down some of these boxes. Got a nice little square, which, oh, I'm gonna put it this way. Does it fit? It kind of sort of fits. We're gonna make it fit. It's okay. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Some of those. I like these smaller ones for the other side of the page. For this side of the page. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick a couple of these on the page. And grab a couple more bees. You know what? I should put, let's see, one. Okay, and I'll do the little trails. This one, we'll do a little twirly bit. It's always cute. This one will go up and around. Just makes such a huge difference when you do that, which I love. Okay, so again, I just want to do something really quick just to get those on the page, and also to be able to do those little trail things. I feel like it always like polishes the spread up when you have something that flies and you do those little trails. That includes not just like birds or butterflies, but also if you had like paper airplanes that were flying, doing like a little trail type of thing would be cute. So yeah, love that. So I used the Bujo Essentials and then fan favorites. Oh, were there any quotes in here? No, there weren't. Okay, that's okay. But I just wanted to use these really quick just to show you. Super cute. And love a bunch of these sheets. Like I said, I am saving them for future spreads for sure. You'll be seeing this. Yeah, you'll be seeing this pulled out during those like winter time and Christmas and Harry Potter's birthday. Definitely gonna pull it out then too. So that is fan favorites and Bujo Essentials. They are going to be available to purchase today. Definitely check out the description for all the info and also a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. Definitely use a code. But yeah, I just wanted to share all these great stickers that are coming out today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this flip through and mini plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video.